Krea.ai is the craziest new AI video generator I've seen because it actually learns your personal style the more you use it. Let me show you how it works. You start by uploading a few of your own images or short video clips. Krea instantly studies everything: your lighting, your color palette, your whole vibe, and then builds a custom AI model based entirely on you. After that, you just type a prompt and boom! It generates brand new videos in your exact style. We're talking the same face, the same look, the same aesthetic. It's like cloning your own creativity in just a few seconds. You can create ads, TikToks, YouTube, B-roll, product videos, or even memes. And every new video you make trains the model to get even better. The best part, you don't need any fancy editing skills. Just type, click, and let Krea do its magic. If you want to discover more AI tools that save you time and make you money, hit that subscribe button. This is just the beginning.